Namaste, 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 namaste. Good morning, everyone. Today is 15th August, our Independence Day. And in my school, my principal spoke about Viksit Bharat. But I have a question to all of you present here. Is our village actually developed?
That's a wonderful question, Aman. That's a wonderful question. Let us see how our village has changed over the years. So, Dadi ji, would you like to begin?
अरे बेटा, हमारे ज़माने में तो बहुत मुश्किल होती थी. We had to cross the flowing rivers, broken bridges, and after all that, the wooden scale of the teacher. पर अब देखो ना, पक्की रोड्स है, कहीं जाने में मुश्किल भी नहीं होती.
That's absolutely true, Dadiji. Education has changed completely. Earlier, there used to be one teacher and one classroom, and the teacher was managing all the classes. But nowadays, we have digital classrooms, computer labs, online learning, and smart classrooms. पता है दादी, Digital India और PM Vidya has made students. Because of Digital India and PME Vidya, students can learn from excellent teachers even while staying in the village. The number of girls attending school has also increased remarkably, showing the positive impact of educating every child.
बिल्कुल सही कहा दीदी. खेती में भी बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट आया है. Earlier, we had to borrow money from local money lenders. अब PM किसान सम्मान निधि से हम पैसा डायरेक्टली अकाउंट में आ जाता है. सॉइल हेल्थ कार्ड से पता चल जाता है कि कौन सी फर्टिलाइजर यूज़ करना है, और अगर क्रॉप डैमेज हुआ तो PM फसल बीमा हेल्प्स अस. ई नाम ऐप की वजह से हम क्रॉप्स अच्छे प्राइसेस पर बेच सकते हैं.
That sounds so amazing. But what about electricity and clean water?
There has been tremendous progress, beta. Almost every home now has electricity. Clean drinking water is supplied to them through well-connected taps. Most of the houses use clean LPG instead of firewood, making kitchens healthier. Even the Swachh Bharat mission has improved the sanitation of the village. The Gram Panchayat has also improved, making the climate more resilient.
और सबसे बड़ी बात तो हेल्थ की है. पहले बहुत दूर दूर तक हॉस्पिटल ढूंढना पड़ता था, पर अब देखो हर जगह नियर बाय हेल्थ सेंटर्स है, और ड्रोन से दवाइयाँ भी डिफ़िकल्ट टू रीच रीजन्स में आ जाती है. अब सच में लग रहा है कि हमारा गांव बदल रहा है.
This is the true meaning of Viksit Bharat. Real development does not only mean in modern cities. Real development means when every citizen and every village gets equal opportunities, healthcare, and a better way of life.
अब रूरल विलेजेस में भी फूड प्रोसेसिंग, आर्टिसंस और इवन छोटे हैंडीक्राफ्ट का शॉप्स भी है.
Everything sounds so wonderful. But what is our responsibility now?
Our responsibility is to continue this journey. We must study properly, work honestly, respect women, and also help our community. The youth of today is the future of tomorrow. By 2047, India will be a truly developed nation.
I came here with a question today, but I found my answer. Viksit Bharat begins with us.
सबसे प्यार करो और हमेशा अच्छे काम करो, वही असली देशभक्ति है.
A developed nation starts with kind, educated, and responsible citizens.
So let us begin this special Independence Day celebration with pride and hope.
Thank you.
Thank you.